Have you ever wondered how to elevate your plant game? Today, we're exploring the beauty of hanging gardens. These marvels not only save space, but also enhance aesthetics and improve air quality. Get ready to transform your space into a green paradise. But before we dive in, here are some materials you'll need. Gather hanging pots, durable strings, and sturdy hooks. Don't forget your plants and gardening tools. Ensure you choose plants that thrive when hung. With these materials at hand, you're ready to start creating your hanging garden. Now follow these steps to create your hanging garden. First, choose the right location. It should get plenty of sunlight and have enough space for your plants to grow. Next, install your hooks. Make sure they are sturdy and well anchored to support the weight of your plants. Now it's time to prepare your plants. Choose a variety of species for visual interest and ensure they have similar light and water needs. Next, hang your pots. Make sure they are evenly spaced and secure. Lastly, maintain your garden. Water your plants regularly, but don't overwater. Check for pests and keep an eye on the health of your plants. Remember, gardening is a labor of love, and it takes time for your plants to establish and grow. But with patience and care, your hanging garden will thrive, providing you with a beautiful and refreshing environment. Creating a hanging garden is a fun and rewarding experience. It's not just about elevating your plant game, but also about creating a tranquil haven in your own space. Remember, all you need are the right materials and a step-by-step guide to get started. The beauty of hanging gardens is a sight to behold, a testament to your love for nature. So why wait? Start your own hanging garden today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!